If you are unable to access your eBay account due to missing verification codes, you can follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the eBay sign-in page. Go to the eBay website and click on the sign-in button. Enter your username or email address associated with your account and click Continue. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the iShock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Choose Recovery Options. You will be presented with various recovery options. Since you do not have access to verification codes, select the option to receive a password reset link via email. Ensure you have access to the email account linked to your eBay account. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from eBay with the subject line related to password recovery. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the prompts to create a new password for your eBay account. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Once you have successfully reset your password, you should be able to log into your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to eBay customer support for further assistance. Regaining access to your account may take some time, but following these steps should help you get back on track.